trying to figure out that investment up front. So B, in Connecticut, the financial investment sounds like it's a bigger concern for you in this question here in starting a new venture and looking for some basic guidelines of, I'm guessing, how much should you have saved up before starting a business? Everybody I talk to has a different answer to that. Personally, I bootstrapped all of my endeavors, right? So bootstrapping is essentially you don't really have anyone giving you any money. You don't have any customers to start with, and you're just kind of self-funding. And if you can get a customer to put some money into business, you reinvest until you have something that becomes cash flow positive. So that's a little bit further away from the brand strategy side of things here. But I do think it ties in the sense that there is value that has to be offered that people are willing to pay for, to be able to feel confident enough to go out on your own and do a business full time and not have other revenue sources. So when I started my first business, I had a full-time job and I was moonlighting, trying to get that business off the ground. I had a few freelance clients here and there, no recurring revenue. And it was, peaks and valleys all day long, right? It was feast or famine. And I was really happy when I had what I would now consider much smaller projects. And it was more about being able to build a reputation of myself and what I offer of value to certain clientele, and letting them see that they can refer me and my company to others, and encouraging them to do so. Based on whatever value they perceived in what I offered. In my mind, I thought I was offering web design and graphic design and logo design and business card design and blah, 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 blah. In their mind, what I've heard since the beginning is that, wow, Rick, you just get it. You really seem to get me, and you help me articulate what it is I'm trying to convey to who I'm trying to help or sell to, right? That took me years of listening to my customers over and over to realize that's what I'm doing. Almost the what I do doesn't matter. It's the how and the why, and why I'm helping these people and how I'm helping them. That packaged together becomes the value proposition that these other folks are seeing, so that they're willing to refer me to other clientele. I get reviews. I can build up my marketing based on that. I can refine my process from there. I hope that helps. B, I saw a comment.
Yeah, B. Thank you. That helps. So that's great. Yeah.